Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Leo tunaangalia movie yetu mpya ya Lamination. I know we have watched Nyota Njema na tumefurahia sana hiyo movie, lakini sasa tuko kwa Lamination. And please don't forget to subscribe because we only do videos to get subscribers. And having subscribers is really so hard, but we try. I hope that you will watch the video and like it. Na tuendelee kuwatch the Lamination, and don't forget to tap on where you're watching this video from and tell us more about Lamination, because we are all watching the same video and probably I like reviewing videos, so I thought that video was kind of interesting to review it. First, let's watch this together until the end. Bye bye.